Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the new lesson, Properties of Matter. The first one, Introduction. Now I ask one question for you. Which is one of the oldest dam in the world? Yes, Kallanai is one of the oldest dam in the world. It is located at Tiruchi. Kallanai was built across river Kaveri for the purpose of irrigation. During heavy floods, the velocity of water is generally very high in river Kaveri. The stability and utility of Kallanai Dam reveal the Institute of Scientific Understanding of Tamil who designed this dam as early as 2nd century. In the other example known for incitable construction of the past is the pyramid in Egypt. The flyover and over bridges are common worldwide today. Heavy vehicles fly over and the bridges are always under stress. Without effective design using suitable materials, the bridges and flyover will not be stable. In the growth of human civilization is due to the understanding of various forms of matter. The study of properties of matter is very essential in selecting any material for a specific application. For example, in technology, the material used for space application should be lightweight but should be strong. Material used for artificial human organ replacement should be biocompatible. Artificial body fluid are used as tissue substitute for radiotherapy analysis in medicine. Fluids used as lubricant or fuel should possess certain properties. Such microscopic properties are decided by the microscopic phenomena within matter. This unit deals with the properties of solid and fluid and the law of governing the behavior of matter. Now we discuss the topic microscopic understanding of various state of matter. Even though various form of matter such as solid, food, liquid like water and the air that we breathe are familiar in the day-to-day lifestyle for the past several thousand years. The microscopic understanding of solid, liquid and gases was established only in the 20th century. For example, water exists in the three forms of solid ice, liquid water and gaseous state. Interestingly, ice, water and steam are made up of same type of molecule, two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom from a water molecule. Physics helps us to explore the beauty of nature at the microscopic level. The distance between the atoms or molecule determines whatever it exits, the solid, liquid or gaseous state. The first one, solids. In solids, atoms or molecules are tightly fixed. In the solid formation, atoms get bound together through various types of bonding. Due to the interaction between the atoms, they position themselves at a particular interatomic distance. In the position of atoms in this bound condition is called their mean position. The second one, liquid. When the solid is not given any external energy such as heat, it will remain as solid due to a bonding between atoms. When heated, atom of the solid receive thermal energy and vibrate about their mean position. When the solid is heated about its melting point, the heat energy will break the bonding between the atoms and eventually the atoms receive enough energy and wander around. Here also the intermolecular forces are important, but the molecules will have through energy to move around which makes the structure mobile. The next one, gases. When a liquid is heated at a constant pressure to its boiling point or when the pressure is reduced at a constant temperature, it will convert to a gas. This process of liquid changing to a gas is called evaporation. The gas molecule have either very weak bond or no bond at all. The next one, elastic behavior of material. In a solid, interatomic force bind two or more atoms together and the atoms occupy the position of stable equilibrium. When a deforming force is applied on the body, its atoms are pulled apart or pushed closer. When the deforming force is removed, interatomic force of attraction or repulsion restore the atoms to their equilibrium position. If a body regains the original shape and size after the removal of deforming force, it is said to be elastic and the property is called elasticity. The force which changes the size or shape of the body is called deforming force. Example, rubber, metal. Plasticity. If a body does not regain its original shape and size after removal of the deforming force, it is said to be a plastic body and the property is called plasticity. For example, glass. Now we are going to see the topic stress and strain. The first one, stress. When a force is applied, the size or shape or both may change due to the change in relative position of atoms or molecules. This deformation may not be noticeable to our naked eye. When a body is subjected to such a deforming force, internal force is developed in it called a restoring force. In the force per unit area is called a stress. Stress sigma is equal to force per area, that is F by A. The SI unit of stress is Newton meter minus 2.